From the people who brought you McLeod's Daughters comes a new benchmark in Australian drama, McLeod's Sons.
Dad, if I don't make it through this, there's something I got to tell you.
What is it, son?
Dad, I love...
Go on, son.
Dad, I love beer.
I love beer too, son.
Take my hand.
I can't.
Just take my hand.
I can't. What if somebody sees me? They'll think I'm a big
Listen, mate, I just wanted to thank you for saving me life the other day. If you hadn't have pulled me out of the way of that sheep stampede, I would have been killed for sure.
Oh, there's nothing, mate.
Yeah, well, thanks, mate.
Yeah, well, anyway, I've got to go and look at some pictures of girls with nothing on.
Oh, yeah, me too. I'm going to touch myself at the same time.
McLeod's Sons. All the drama of McLeod's Daughters without the poofiness.